Hi friends. Today I'm gonna explain an idiom. So today's idiom is begin to see the light. So let me repeat. Begin to see the light. Okay. Let's see the explanation. You can see on the screen. So explanation is to begin to understand something. Right. So when you when you or someone understands something, then it can be expressed with this idiom. Alright, so explanation is to begin to understand something. Let's see the example. So example is commuters begin to see the light and decided to follow the traffic rules. Let me repeat. Commuters begin to see the light and decided to follow the traffic rules. So commuters is um, the public who travels across the city, so they are called commuters. So here in this example it means that the commuters, they understand, they begin to understand and they have decided to follow the traffic rules. All right, so they begin to understand. All right, so that they decided to follow the traffic rules. Okay, that's the example. So one more example. When the teacher teaches the lesson in the class, students begin to see the light and could get good marks. Let me repeat. When the teacher teaches the lesson in the class, students begin to see the light and could get good marks. Okay. So in a school during the class hours, so student began to understand. All right, and so that they could get good marks, so they could score good marks in their exams. All right, so that's for the session. I believe you got to know a new idiom, begin to see the light. Let me catch you with other idiom or jokes or topics in the upcoming session. Please do subscribe to the channel Universe Explorer and click on the bell icon to get notified on new post. Thanks for watching. Bye.